Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss to you one of the most important tool for project manager in controlling and monitoring their projects. I am going to discuss to you S curve, commonly known as the cumulative production curve. So what is an S curve? An S curve, it is a graphical cumulative cost or cumulative labor hours or other quantities plotted against time. The name derives from S-like shape of the curve, and it serves several purposes. First is to early detections of overruns in the field. Remedial actions can be prompt, and of course to increase profit. Through Primavera P6 professionals, it allows you to create a production curve to where the project manager can use it to monitor whether the budget or the productivity rates of the workers. So to do that, I want you to launch your professional Primavera Professional and go to your project, and from there I want you to open your specific project you've been working on. So in my case, I just going to highlight the project that I'm going to create the S curve. Click open. So this is the project that I have. It's incomplete. Just for the sake of illustration, I am going to use this one here. So first, I want you to go to this particular icon, this one here. This is the activity usage profile, as they call it. And by the way, you can only view the cumulative S curve if you already assign all your resources. In my previous video, I show you how to create your resources as well as how you're going to assign it to your specific activities in the project. So first, I want you to click this icon on the Sunday toolbars, and it will show you right below the Gantt chart areas on the detail. It shows you here the profile display. So from there, I want you to right click it on that area, and I want you to select the says activity usage profile options, and it will show you these dialog box. So as I mentioned a while ago, there are several ways that you could display the cumulative S curve, whether that is in terms of labor hours or in terms of the budget or the cost. So for this illustration, I am going to select the cost. Now you have several options here to where you want to show as well in your S curve. So on this area here that shows show bars or curves, I am just going to show the budgeted since I don't have yet my actual, but as I've told you, the community production curve allows the project manager to monitor. So you could compare whatever the budgeted that you have initiated at the beginning compared to your actual for your project. And as a project manager, it shows you where your status for the project. If at any given point in time your plotted points is above the curve, that gives you a warning as a project manager to investigate what's going on for the project, whether you're going over budget or you're going ahead of the schedule while you're spending 2 months at that particular point in time. So once you selected that particular selections that you want, and perhaps during construction, you may need to show those two as you enter the actual cost for a particular task at any given point in time. So in this case, just for the sake of illustration, I'm just going to select the budgeted. And then I want you to click apply, and then just click well, the other thing is that you could also customize the other color if you will not be able to see. Just like in my case here, what I have here is the yellow color. So I need to change this to a little bit darker color. So probably a black or any other color that you wish to use. All right, so in this case, I have here now my curve. The other thing that I want you to change perhaps is the timeline. So you may need to right click that again and click time scale. So from there, you may need to probably change that time scale start PS, but you will notice here the show ordinary dates in terms of month. So perhaps you need to change that into a weekly or a day and see how it looks like on your graph. Now you have also here show primary dates as well. So you can change that into a weekday calendar or weekday day shape as well too. So then I want you to click apply. So this is my curve here, and for you to be able to print that out, what I want you to do is just go into your file. Then I want you to go print preview, and this is how it looks like for my curve. Since it's just a short activity, I have here just a small S curves that I have for my projects, but you can modify that. Let's see, you can go to page setup, and then I want you to go to says option. So you have here again for you to be able to print your curve. Make sure that uncheck the rest of it and just select the profile. And I want you to take note also the project starter and the project finished. And then click apply. And then click OK. And then you're ready to print your work. All right, the other thing is that customizing your report. So for you to be able to print specific items to submit or to provide report on it, so I want you to go into the Tools tab. Then I want you to go to says Report at the bottom. So we have here. And then I want you to click the says Reports. And it gives you the list of items that you need to print out. Well, it depends on the requirement. Say in this particular case, we have your activity labor. So what you do is just select that, and then I want you to go here, and then I want under the last run date, and I want you to right click that, and it says here run, and then we have here report. So print preview, just click OK, and it will give you a report on your labor activities. This is very nice if you need to do some analysis on your resources for you to be able to optimize your available resources. So that is a very simple way for you to create a report for your project. So again, for this video, we talk about how you can create a cumulative production curve, whether that is for your budget or for your labor units, labor hours. All right, that's it.